Namaste, good morning, and welcome. Yes, Namaste. Namaste, all our special and our honorable guests. Yes, you are most welcome to this Love World's Teenage Tunes special session. That is 25th Silver Jubilee celebration, actually, with the school leaders and principals. So you are most welcome to this Teenage Tunes. And we thought that why not to give an opportunity to our teen poets to be inspired, encouraged, and skilled by the poetry art of their school leaders. So we have planned this, and we are sorry. It was supposed to be on 23rd, but due to some technicalities, it couldn't be. So now we are ready to host you and welcome you and enjoy your poetry. Okay? So as you all know, this is a bilingual platform. हम लोग सभी टीन पोइट्स की जो भी टीन पोइट्स यहाँ पर आते हैं उनकी हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों की पोइट्रीज को एंटरटेन करते हैं और उसी हिसाब से ये चीज़ें होती हैं. तो आप लोग भी अपनी कविताएं हिंदी या इंग्लिश किसी में भी यहाँ पर शेयर कर सकते हैं और प्रिंसिपल्स के लिए तो हमने उर्दू भी ऑप्शन रखा था. So if you are good at Urdu, you can also share your poems here. Okay? So now before we begin our program, I would like to share कि हम लोगों ने ये टीनेज ट्यून्स पोइट्री का ओपन माइक कैसे शुरू किया. तो जब लॉकडाउन में अभी से शायद अराउंड 5 to 6 months बैक जब सभी लोग घर पर थे तो हम लोगों को लगा कि बड़े लोग तो फिर किसी तरह मैनेज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको अपने घर पर रह के सारी चीज़ों को मैनेज करने में और इतनी जो लाइवली उनकी लाइफ थी बाहर स्कूल की वो कैसे उससे कोप अप करेंगे. तो ब्लॉग वर्ल्ड में जो कि टीनेजर्स के लिए ही एक प्लेटफॉर्म है वर्ल्ड वाइड, तो उन्होंने ये एक टीनेज ट्यून्स ओपन माइक शुरू करने का प्लान किया. तो वी बिगिन विद अ ट्रिब्यूट टू आवर टीन पोएट्स. ओके, तो सबसे पहले एक उनके लिए कुछ बात करके फिर हम लोग शुरू करते हैं. ओके, तो द टाइटल ऑफ दिस पोएटिक पीस इज टीनेज ट्यून्स. ओके, so enjoy this. Teens' energy bombs lying in the home should never be diffused, but blast the joy sun. Bubbling energy, flowing energy, glowing energy, gem affect humans. Let them glow, let them flow, let bubble humans. Teenage tunes with so well. Teenage tunes with dreams so well. Dreams allowed and a spell. If we hatch them, heat and love. If we hatch them, heat and love, they'll come out of shell. Teens tunage sounds so sweet. हमने इतने सारे टीनेज ट्यून्स के सेशंस में ये स्वीटनेस को एंजॉय किया. Teens tunage sounds so sweet. Let's enjoy the trees. तो हम लोगों ने वो सारी ट्रीज को बहुत एंजॉय किया. अब आज हम उनके जो गाइड हैं, जो इनके लीडर्स हैं, स्कूल लीडर्स हैं, उनको एंजॉय करने के लिए आप इकट्ठे हुए हैं. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सबसे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मिश्रा रेजिडेंशियल पब्लिक स्कूल, देवगढ़, झारखंड, Sudha Pandey. Sudha Pandey, ma'am. Are you here? Sudha Pandey? Okay. Next, I invite Sonia Gidla, the principal, Douglas Memorial High Secondary School, Barakpur, Kolkata, West Bengal. Sonia Gidla, are you here? Okay. Next is...
Sonia Gidla is here. Okay. She was on mute.
Okay. We unmute yourself.
Yeah. Okay. So shall I recite now, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course.
Very good morning. A very good morning to all.
Good.
This is Miss Sonia Gidla, the principal of Douglas Memorial High Secondary School, Kolkata. I really thank Blub World for giving me this opportunity to come online today and share this poem with you all. So this poem that I'm going to recite right now is an original composition. It's been written by me a few months back. And I feel that a lot of you can resonate with this poem because it is very universal in nature, given the fact that the kind of situation that we are in, as we are experiencing so many losses and people are in dire strait. So I feel that this poem will touch many hearts as it has touched me. So without any further ado, I'll just like to recite my poem. The name of the poem is I'm Not Alone. Days come and days go by, moments lift and some not, felt alive and sometimes dead from within. Days when I feel down and broken, lost, confused, and delirious, crying out in pain. Then I say to myself, this pain is just not mine. Someone out there feels it too, but it has a different story. I am not alone. Days when I felt crushed, no one to call, none to expect, no roof over my head, not a morsel of food. But I am not the only one. I am not alone. Rejected and dejected, I walk my own path, without friends or family, no one to fall back upon. Then I turn back. I see more people in queue. I am not alone. A streak of unlucky incidents, piled up burdens, no courage to smile, for another day awaits a new misfortune. I am not alone. Thirsting for a precious feeling, unrequited love, I wait patiently and faithfully, not a sign, not a word from the other end. I'd give the world for this love, but I feel abandoned and I'm not alone. It's been a decade, and I feel bereft of motherly love, redundant and incapable of sowing a seed of life. But it's just not me. I'm not alone. Lashings of class feuds and battles, trapped in this unfair world. It's not you and I. We're all in this together. I'm not alone. Pretense and masks, curse and hate mongering, sweet smile, sugary words, cruel and evil intentions, extending hands of trust when shaking prickly thorns. There are so many of them. I'm not alone. Nature is eternal, not us or our deeds. We have to pay the price sooner or later. No escape or way out. I'm not alone. It's a big and beautiful world with small minds and ugly hearts, feeding on hate, greed, and chaos, yet some living by hope and goodness, waiting to be saved. You are not alone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sonia Gidla ma'am, for this nice poetic piece of yours. So, feeling of oneness with our fellow human beings is the sole and ultimate strength that we can use to save our lives from being pathetic and make our lives worthy. So we are not alone. Actually, we are not alone. तो मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर we started alone but we are not alone. मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. So this feeling of oneness with our fellow human beings is our strength. So thank you so much, Sonia Gidla ma'am, for your beautiful poem. Now we invite Nikita Kothari, the principal of Arunoday Public School, Thane, Maharashtra. Nikita Kothari. I would like to share one fact with you that a few principals, they registered with us, but due to some important assignments, they couldn't attend this session and they have shared their videos of their poetry with us. So they might not be here. Next is MD Shahjahan, Vice Principal, Jibril International School, Kolkata, West Bengal.
Very good morning to the panelists, Veena ma'am especially, and all attending this teen leaders recitation program, the poetry reading. I've been anticipating this. We are delayed by a week, so I was really very excited of coming and reciting. I thank Blub World for giving me this opportunity. to recite. It would have been wonderful to recite an original composition, though. But then I never wanted my coming to this platform again and reciting with the students trying to wait and students trying to look up to their leaders. So I've heard a lot of students coming in last couple of sessions and reciting their poetry. It was wonderful, and I really appreciate this initiative from the Blub World to bring students, young, they could be writers, future writers on this platform to share their poetry. My poetry is a recitation, a composition from Lebanese American writer Khalil Gibran, and it is entitled Defeat. And this is what I'm going to recite today. I hope you get the feel of it, the feel that perhaps Khalil Gibran wanted to convey to his readers, listeners, and the same feeling with which I'm going to recite now. Here it goes. Defeat. Defeat, my solitude, and my aloofness. You are dearer to me than 1,000 triumphs. You are dearer to me than 1,000 triumphs, and sweeter to my heart than all world glory. Defeat, my self-knowledge, and my defiance. Through you, I know that I'm yet young and swift of foot, and not to be trapped by withering laurels, and in you I have found aloneness, and the joy of being shunned and scorned. Defeat, my shining sword. In your eyes, I have read that to be enthroned is to be enslaved, and to be understood is to be leveled down, and to be grasped is but to reach one's fullness, and like a ripe fruit, to fall and be consumed. And none but you shall speak to me of the beating of wings, and urging of seas, and of mountains, and burn in the night, and you alone shall climb my steep and rocky soul. Defeat, my deathless courage. You and I shall laugh together with the storm, and together we shall dig graves for all that die in us, and we shall in the sun with a will, and we shall be dangerous. Thank you.
Thank you so much, MD Shahjahan sir, for sharing this beautiful poetry of Khalil Gibran. खलील जिब्रान को कौन नहीं जानता है, तो उनकी इतनी बढ़िया आपने यहाँ पे पोएम यहाँ पे शेयर की. थैंक यू सो मच. We have benefited with that. So as we all know that the famous line, "As child is the father of the man." So we can say I can say, or rather I should say that defeat is the mother of victory. So defeat is the mother of victory. We can say this. Defeat energizes a person to rise up again with full stamina and strength to convert defeat into a win. That's very true. जब हार के मानुष बैठ रहे, तो विजय कान हुंकार धरे. जब हार के मानुष बैठ रहे, तो विजय कान हुंकार धरे. फिर वही विजय हुंकार एक पल में ही शत्रु के प्राण हरे. फिर वही विजय हुंकार एक पल में ही शत्रु के प्राण हरे. So defeat may be the seed of victory. We should recognize that gift in disguise. Okay, and we should celebrate defeat so that we can taste victory. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, I invite Preeti Pastricha, Assistant Academic Coordinator, GP Goenka International School, Manapada, Thane, West, Maharashtra. Preeti Pastricha, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Veena, for the wonderful introduction. I will just make a correction. It is CP Goenka International School, not GP Goenka International School.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But that is completely
I'm sorry.
okay. Thank you, Blub World, for this wonderful platform. I am an educationist since last 18 years और मुझे लगता है कि just like we have soldiers जो war front पे हमारे लिए लड़ते हैं, similarly educationists are also nation makers who actually build the nation with through education. इसीलिए मैंने कुछ teachers के लिए ही लिखा है, just 4 lines. I will read it out. इसका heading भी I have like written by myself. Mother gives birth, teacher gives birth. So I start with my poem. Mother gives birth, teacher gives birth. Teachers take the responsibility that no one faces education dearth. Mother brings the child on this earth, and teachers provide educational value after birth, and learners are able to know their worth. Mother gives birth, teacher gives birth. Thank you.
Wow, Preeti ma'am, narration in a nutshell, very beautiful. Yes, it's true that the first teacher of a child is its mother, but the last and ultimate guru of a child is a deserving teacher. We all know that. Without a teacher, we cannot reach anywhere. तो माँ गुरुत्व बन जाती है, ग्रेविटेशन, माँ गुरुत्व बन जाती है शिशु को संसार में लाने को, माँ गुरुत्व बन जाती है शिशु को संसार में लाने को, गुरु को ममत्व बनना पड़ता, गुरु हैज टू बिकम लव इटसेल्फ, गुरु को ममत्व बनना पड़ता शिशु को जीवंत बनाने को. To make a child lively and worthy, the teacher has to be there. So गुरु को ममत्व बनना पड़ता शिशु को जीवंत बनाने को. Thank you so much.
Thanks to you, Veena ji. You add up so beautifully after everybody's poetry. Thanks to you.
Oh, thank you for the compliment. Thank you so much. और यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं वो लोग जिस तरह से भी रिएक्ट होना चाहें, जिस तरह से भी अप्रिशिएट करना चाहें अपने को पोइट्स को, they can. So enjoy this platform enthusiastically and make it a success because it is in your hands only. Okay. So thank you, Preeti ma'am. Next, I invite Ganesh D. Patil, Head Academic Training.
Good morning.
Good.
Motivation for young minds. Veena Gaur ma'am. Pedagogical leaders from India. Life is full of uncertainties, and the glory of life lies in its uncertainties. My poem is a self-composed poem, and it talks about glorious game of life. Life is like cricket. If you are a batsman, you have to play in your crease. Every ball is like a new challenge. Playing within the rules, score is to increase. Every ball is an opportunity to score. Just stay on the ground, don't feel bored. Every ball can bring you a six. Just you need a goal to fix. Everyone has a power, but a few can win. Feebles are defeated as weakness is sin. Every power, every talent is useless and still unless the fellows have indomitable will. Life is to be faced, difficulties to be enjoyed, balls are to be scored, yorkers to be digested, catches are to be grabbed, opportunities should be bagged, full toss is to be lifted, and googly should be glanced. Play, push, powerfully till the wicket is lost. Live like a legend till breath is past. Sixer must be scored if victory is to be accomplished. Risk must be taken if success is to be achieved. Your bowling can be beaten, your dreams can be shaken, but balance your brain, revive your claim, sharpen your skills, revive your will, like renaissance of dry grass. Don't lose your will. Don't lose your will. Fortune favors if you lost. Don't lose your confidence, though everything else you lost. And don't stop to dream whatever damn things you have lost. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much for this wonderful poem of yours. So, with the metaphor of cricket, you have decoded life. You have tried to decode life, and that's wonderful. And through this decoding, you can develop a deep understanding for a successful life. Very beautiful poem. But
Thank you.
Here I'm reminded of, yeah, here I'm reminded of one of my poems like this. It has been written 15 or 20 years back, but with the same theme. So I'm going to share this cricket match. So please enjoy this. Have you ever played cricket? Have you ever played cricket? It is the happiness secret. Throwing a ball and hitting a ball. Joy to others if you fall. At the slip or at the gully. Take a catch beautifully. Others may stand dutifully. Over the wicket or round the wicket. Fill with runs your bucket. Don't be upset with umpire's decision. Don't be upset with umpire's decision. TV has given him minute precision. Be Tendulkar, be Jasurya, be jaunty or sober, but fight to win the one-day match within the 50 overs. Be Gavaskar, be Kapil, be Batman or holding, but act like a black commando at the time of fielding. Be Imran, be Chappell, be Cranio or Gatting, but use the best of your bat in the lineup of batting. Be sportive, be disciplined, let your skills be examined. But dear friends, have insight, it is a game and not a fight. It is a game and not a fight.
Wow. Wow, ma'am.
Yeah.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So your this metaphorical poetry on cricket reminded me of my own poem, but it has been written long, long back. So the names included in this poetic piece are from that era.
Great, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, thank you. After this wonderful poetry of Ganesh sir, I would like to invite our very beautiful Navanita Gupta ma'am, the assistant headmistress, Netaji Girls High School, Siliguri, West Bengal. You're most welcome, ma'am. Please, you can start.
Okay, thank you very much. Veena Gaur ma'am, you are excellent. Your poem is really wonderful and it has given me energy and confidence to speak few words in front of you all. Thanks, Blub World, for giving me this platform. My children, they have come in teenage tunes. I'm not a poet. I am a geographer.
Wow.
I'm a geography teacher and I love my subject very much. But you know, mainly I'm a motivator. So I have come here to motivate my children so that they can gain confidence in them and they can participate. Just I want to tell them that language is not a bar. As I am from a Bengali medium school, my children, they sometimes feel shy to come and recite in English or Hindi or to write in English. And that's why I have come here so that my children can see and they can also gain confidence to come and say say a few words, whatever they can. That's why I have come here. And I have written a very simple poem. It's very simple. Listening to all the great poets, those who have recited till now, just a simple poem. And mainly this is for my father, because he was my inspiration. He was my guide, my philosopher, everything. And in the month of October only in 2018, I have lost him. So that's why all the time, whenever I want to do something, he always comes to me and speaks few words, and that thing I have written, I'll just recite it. Hope you like it. Thank you. My poem is My Father. You were my inspiration, starting from my childhood. You taught me to read, write, and play. You, my father. You were my source of energy, as you were a soldier. Starting from morning till night, I have seen your dedication towards nation. You fought for the safety of your countrymen. You, my father. I have been a blessed child to have you. Discipline and confidence are two spheres you gave me from your treasure. You were a special person with all the good qualities. You, my father. I wish you could have stayed more and loved me forever. I cannot bring you back. You left me with your memories. My heart aches for you, but I know you are with me whenever I need you. You, my father. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you, Veena Gaur ma'am.
Thank you so much, Navanita Gupta ma'am, that you have tried your hand on poetry and you have come here for your students. That's wonderful. That you said that I don't write, but still I wanted to encourage my friends. That's why I'm here. So you're most welcome here, and we would like to pay our respect to your father, as you said that he was a freedom fighter. So that's wonderful. That's great. And we can never forget our parents. We are here because they were there.
Yes.
That's the only reason that we are here. So, अभी यहाँ पर मुझे गुलजार की प्रसिद्ध पंक्तियां याद आ रही हैं जो उन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स पर लिखी हैं। पिता धूप में, माँ चूल्हे पर जलती है। पिता धूप में, माँ चूल्हे पर जलती है। तब कहीं औलाद एक पलती है। तब कहीं औलाद एक पलती है। तो गुलजार साहब का तो
वाह 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 वाह,
क्या ही कहना है।
वीणा जी बहुत बहुत ही अति सुंदर आपने कहा, अति सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर।
थैंक यू सो मच। कहा तो गुलजार साहब ने, मैंने उसको रिपीट किया।
हाँ जी
अभी तो नाबालिका जी की पोएम पे ये मुझे याद आया, तो मैंने कहा इतनी प्यारी पंक्तियां हैं, इनको क्यों नहीं यहाँ पे कहा जाए।
वीणा
तो
जी मैं यहाँ पे कहना चाहूंगी, आपने गुलजार जी की पोयम भले ही बोली है, लेकिन किस मौके पे क्या बोलना है ये भी तो बहुत जरूरी है ना। वो आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं।
ग्रेट मैम।
Thanks for this appreciation. Thank you so much. My energies are now at cloud 9.
You are on cloud 9 now. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर।
Yes. Thank you so much. इतने सुंदर सुंदर लोग और इतने सुंदर सुंदर कविताओं के बीच में हम सब अपनी एनर्जीज को बढ़ा रहे हैं। जो वी विश कि ये सारी एनर्जीज हमारे स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे टीनेजर्स और पूरे संसार में फैल जाएं, और जो अभी नेगेटिव चीजें चल रही हैं वो सब सबसाइड हो जाएं। वी शुड प्रे फॉर दिस कि हमारी एनर्जीज बिल्कुल रेजोनेट होके, मल्टीप्लाई होके जो हम चाहते हैं वैसा कर पाएं। ओके, नाउ वी मूव ऑन। अब मैं यहाँ पे इनवाइट करती हूँ निकिता कोठारी मैम, प्रिंसिपल अरुणोदय पब्लिक स्कूल थाने, महाराष्ट्र। आर यू हियर?
नमस्ते नमस्ते मैम। वीणा जी मैं यहीं पे हूँ आपके समक्ष, सभी लोगों के समक्ष। मैं खूब अभिनंदन देना चाहती हूँ बल्ब वर्ल्ड को. इसके पहले भी मैं बल्ब वर्ल्ड की एक
कैपेसिटी
कैपेसिटी
बिल्डिंग.
बिल्डिंग.
Sorry to disturb you. Just a moment. Sorry to disturb you, ma'am. This is not bulb. This is BLUB, blub. Sorry to
Blub.
disturb you. This
So,
is blub.
yeah, so I was a part of
Now
it,
you can.
and long back, sir had invited me for capacity building also. So I'm very fortunate and thankful to be a part of it. And thank you for correction, Vinaji. So I would like to recite a poem which is there on the net, but I want to speak about humanity, where we are forgetting humanity. We are going towards greed, and what we see in around us, surrounding us, Vinaji, is really very alarming. Though you are trying your best to be little humorous. If you go back, we did have Kavi Sammelan, and this is a part of it, definitely. Sharing your poems. Wonderful whole platform. There's enough for us, not enough for having greed. Today,
Your
your voice is cracking now. Is it the next for people must learn to get along, not blame others for being wrong. They fight for control, fight for land. Some sleep helping hand. We must get rid ourselves of vanity and embrace peace through humanity. Wars make children so much tougher, but they lose their innocence while they suffer. We should fight for peace instead. Love, not war. We should spread peace instead. And this was a poem with, I definitely want to be a messenger of world peace. Definitely, if I could get a chance, I want to go and talk to Mr. Jinping also, if I get a chance, if you could spread my message. See, we have great philosophers like Gandhi ji, we have great philosophers like Buddha, who believes in world peace, and where this world is leading, I do not know. We see our brothers shedding their blood on the LOCs, and it really hurts within me. It just, there's a goosebump in my whole body. Why are we fighting? Just to show our power? What is power? Power is something within you. Please make this power useful. So, with this message as being the principle of Arunodaya, I want to spread the message of world peace. Let us bring this peace back. Let us all look into our world as the mother land, where we all are habitat. It is not about we being Maharashtrian or we being Keralite or we being from northeast or north or west. No, we are all global citizen, and it is on to us that we should take up this challenge of uniting everyone and making this world peace spread everywhere. Let us, together we can. United we stand. And over to you, Vinaji. Thank you so much for giving this chance.
wow. Thank you so much, Nikita Kothari ma'am, for your this wonderful piece of poetry. Uh, Here, I would like to say that our children who used to see Cartoon Network and all those channels, so why these cartoon lovers have grown as Kalashnikova, who was the weapon designer who invented AK-47. He was a Russian scientist. So, why can't our children grow into a war-free world? Why can't a child be a father of the man passing his innocence, his childlike innocence and tenderness to his elders? तो why can't we have a war free world? तो ये बच्चे जो मन्नू भंडारी एक लेखिका थी पहले, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि मेरा शिशु मेरा गुरु। तो क्यों हमारे बच्चों से हम नहीं सीख सकते हैं कि कैसे एक वॉर फ्री वर्ल्ड पे जाया जा सकता है? क्या हमारे बच्चे हमें मासूमियत और टेंडरनेस सिखा सकते हैं? ये एक प्रश्न है। तो उसमें एक चीज ये कहनी है कि बच्चों के लिए कि ना, बच्चे हम सबसे वही चाह रहे हैं लेकिन हम उसे कर नहीं पा रहे हैं। ना युद्ध हमको दीजिए, बस इतना काम कीजिए, अगर दोस्ती ना आती हो तो हमसे सीख लीजिए। तो बच्चों से हमें वो दोस्ती और प्यार, उनसे हमें सीख के आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है। और यहाँ पे जो धर्म के नाम पे, किसी भी चीज के नाम पे दुनिया युद्ध की तरफ चली जा रही है। युद्ध की विभीषिका तुल रही जिजीविषा, तोल बाट बाट से बांट दी है जिंदगी, बांटता कहीं है धर्म, बांटती है बंदगी। तो यहाँ पे ये कहना है कि मीर को बचा के ही मीरा को हम बचाएंगे, मीर को बचा के ही मीरा को हम बचाएंगे, और सहेज गालिब को तुलसी को सहलाएंगे, ईद की कंदीलों से दिवाली जगमगाएंगे, रोशनी जिधर भी हो हम उधर ही जाएंगे, रोशनी जिधर भी हो हम उधर ही जाएंगे, मानवों को बम नहीं इंसान हम बनाएंगे, मानवों को बम नहीं इंसान हम बनाएंगे,
और इंसान हम आप सब मिलके बनाएंगे। हम एडुकेशन फ्रेटर्निटी से हैं, एंड हमें बच्चों को, युद्ध को, उनको पाठ बताना है। गुरु क्या होता है? गुरु वही होता है जो एक मार्गदर्शन कर सकता है। वी आर फैसिलिटेटर्स। तो ये मैं मैसेज सच में बहुत अच्छा जरिया है वीणा जी कि आप भी हो और हम सब ये बात भी कर रहे हैं और इसे हमें आगे तक लेके जाना है। धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, थैंक यू सो मच।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। हाँ, तो आपकी इस बात को कि हमें एक वॉर फ्री वर्ल्ड सबको चाहिए, वो कैसे हो, बस वो सबको मिलके कैसे क्या करना है, बस इस बात पे यहाँ पे कहते हैं शायद हमने ही सिखाया है बच्चों को जीवन को युद्ध बना लेना, शायद हमने ही सिखाया है जीवन को युद्ध बना लेना, अब है विडंबना हम चाहें जीवन को शुद्ध बना लेना, अब है विडंबना हम चाहें जीवन को शुद्ध बना लेना। लेकिन कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, तो हमें कोशिश तो करनी ही है वॉर फ्री वर्ल्ड के लिए। तो अभी हमारे आज के सारे जो हमारे इतने ऑनरेबल गेस्ट हमारे थे जो प्रेजेंट थे यहाँ पर, उन्होंने अपनी अपनी बहुत शानदार सुंदर कविताओं से हम सबका और हमारे टीनेजर्स का, उनके पेरेंट्स का, जिनको भी हमने इस कॉल पे यहाँ पे इनवाइट किया था, वो सब इससे एनकरेज, इंस्पायर्ड और बहुत कुछ सीख के आज जाने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ पे जो इतने गुरु लोग यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं, उनके लिए अब मैं शुरू में तो हमने अपने 3 पोइट्स के लिए बोल दिया, उनके सम्मान में कुछ कहना चाहते हैं। गुरुओं का साया सर पर हो तो धूप भी शीतल हो जाए, ये आप सबके लिए। गुरुओं का साया सर पर हो तो धूप भी शीतल हो जाए, जो आज नसीहत बुरी लगे सक्सेस का मंत्र कल हो जाए, जो आज नसीहत बुरी लगे सक्सेस का मंत्र कल हो जाए। तो अब इन्हीं लाइनों के साथ मैं आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ, और थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने आपके वीकली ऑफ में से इतना स्पेशल टाइम निकाल के यहाँ पर आप लोग आए। तो we feel so honored and thank you so much। तो आप इसी तरह से लिखते रहिए, और जब भी आप लोग हमसे कम्युनिकेट करेंगे, वी आर रेडी टू इनवाइट ऑल ऑफ यू हियर। तो जब आपको लगे कि आपको कुछ ऐसा एंजॉय करने का, कुछ शेयर करने का, बच्चों को सिखाने का मन है, then you can communicate with us, we'll organize such program and we'll do this। और अगर आपने ये समय एंजॉय किया है, आपने अच्छे से किया है, then you can all say a big yes and thank you so much for coming।
वीना जी, yes, वीना जी लास्ट में कुछ लाइन।
It's a wonderful initiative, ma'am। I really congratulate all the principals and management members and Blub World for this great initiative. The students are more and more encouraged and they have started writing, and even the others got encouraged to after viewing the programs. So really, furthermore, if I have one idea and I give you, and if you have one idea to give me, see, we both have two ideas, right? But if I have 1 rupee I gave you and you have 1 rupee you gave me, we both have 1 rupee only. So there is nothing wrong in sharing ideas, right?
Wonderful.
And
Very well said, Ganesh.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, थैंक यू सो मच। तो यहाँ पे एक चीज और आप सबके साथ वापस से रिपीट कर देते हैं, शेयर कर देते हैं कि every Friday at 4 p.m. we have teenage tunes for teen poets. So students can register themselves and we share the links at our social media platforms. They can join us every Friday at 4 p.m. And
वीना जी, वीना जी, लास्ट में आपके लिए एक लाइन बोलूंगी। जैसे कहावत है कि सोने पे सुहागा, तो अगर हमारी पोइट्री सोना है तो आपकी पोइट्री सुहागा थी, जो हमारे सोने पे सुहागा बन के पोइट्री के बाद आपने बोला है। यू आर ब्रिलियंट,
वेरी नाइस,
यू आर ब्रिलियंट वीना जी।
थैंक यू सो मच। तो अदा करने के लिए अभी
जो माला में पिरोते हैं वीणा जी, जो माला में मोती पिरोते हैं वही आप धागा हो और इसी माला को खूबसूरत बना रहे हो। ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल वीणा जी, बहुत
You are the catalyzer.
Thank you so much. A big hand to all of you. A big hand for all of you and to our team poets.
You are the catalyzer who is bringing out the creativity out of the children, ma'am, and all of us also.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So we would
Nice
like
to be
to
with
have
you
you
all.
all again and again. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, and Veena ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Take care. God bless you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye everybody.
Bye. Bye.